Welcome to AccuWeb hosting video tutorial. Today we will see how to add, edit, or delete a port with Iptables. Iptables is a powerful tool for controlling network traffic on your VPS. You might not have used it directly with the Iptables command, but tools like firewall and CSF work in the background using Iptables. In this video, we will go over how to add, modify, or delete ports using the Iptables. First, we will see how to open a port in Iptables. The SSH service runs on port 2022 by default. However, if you want to use SSH on port 2022 on your VPS, you need to allow it in the Iptables. First of all, you need to log in to your Linux server as the root user. To open a port, type the following command in the terminal and press Enter. Let's break it down. Iptables - this is the command to use Iptables. Input - adds a rule to the input chain, which controls incoming traffic. Port 2022 - specifies port 2022, used for SSH. The D in port stands for destination. Contract state new. Establish - uses the contract module to track connections. This rule allows only news or already established SSH connections, helping block harmful traffic. Accept - this means the rule will allow the traffic that matches the conditions above. In simple terms, this command opens port 2022, allowing you to connect to your server using SSH. Let's see how to check open ports. After running the command to open a port, you can check which ports are open using one of these commands. Here's an example of running these commands after opening port 2022. Finally, we will see how to delete an Iptables rule. Adding a rule in Iptables is simple, and deleting it is just as easy. You can remove a rule by using the D option instead in the command. For example, to delete the rule that opens port 2022 for SSH, run This command is the same as the one used to add the rule, except it starts with Iptables D instead of Iptables A. Unlike tools like Config Server Firewall, CSF, which requires saving and restarting for changes to take effect, Iptables applies changes immediately. This is because it works directly with the Linux kernel's packet filtering system. That's all. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw how to add, edit, or delete a port with Iptables. If you like our technical videos, please press the subscriber button and bell icon to receive instant notification of our new videos. Each like is important to us, so do not forget to thumb up. To download a PDF file of this video, please subscribe to our Telegram channel, AccuWeb Hosting, where you will have the access of PDF files of all our videos. Thank you for watching.